In this video, we are going to see how to link from one page in the view to another in the capacity view in TSPS. So I'm in the TSPS console. From here, we'll use one of the custom view and we'll try to link it to the another custom view. So I'll click on capacity views, custom view. So for example, this is the view. I'll click here to edit the page and the table one. So this is the page where we give the entity name, system identifier, and another column as well if in case needed. And here it's an option of edit parameter. Either we can give a text name here, like for example ABC. Renderer will be the link and it will ask for the destination. So for example, this is the custom view destination in the demo. I'll choose this and then we'll click done and apply, and we'll save it. So I'm in the ABC table. Now for example, I click on this device. It's take us to the demo custom view where we can see the chart. Now let's do it for the another device. So like, and click here. Again we can see that we are in the demo page. So link feature enable us to link a column in a view page which will be a source to another view page which will be the target, and the target view page can be in the same view or in a different view. Thank you for watching and have a great day.